Have you ever wondered how ancient practices can profoundly impact modern lives? Let's explore the roots of one such transformative practice, yoga. Originating thousands of years ago, yoga is more than just a series of poses. It is a holistic discipline that integrates the physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of life, aiming to bring balance and harmony to those who practice it. This ancient art form has woven its way through centuries, continuously evolving while maintaining its essence. Today, yoga's influence can be seen in every corner of the globe. It is celebrated not only for its physical benefits, like increased flexibility and strength, but also for its profound ability to alleviate stress, enhance concentration, and promote a more connected sense of being. This widespread appeal has made yoga a cornerstone in the modern wellness movement, resonating with diverse cultures and lifestyles. At the heart of yoga's vast history stands a figure synonymous with its foundational teachings, Patanjali. Diving into the mists of time, who was Patanjali, the sage behind the yoga revolution? Patanjali, a name that resonates with mystique and ancient wisdom, is often regarded as a seminal figure in the world of yoga. The details of his life are sparse and wrapped in the enigma of history. Scholars place him somewhere in the broad expanse of time between 500 BCE and 400 CE, a period marked by spiritual awakening and philosophical introspection across India. Despite the cloud of uncertainty that surrounds his biography, Patanjali's contributions to not just yoga, but also to Sanskrit grammar and Ayurveda are profound. He is most revered as the compiler of the Yoga Sutras, a collection of aphorisms that lay the foundational philosophy of yoga practice. These sutras have been pivotal in shaping what we today recognize as yoga. The legend of Patanjali is not confined to mere historical accounts. It extends into mythology. He is sometimes depicted as an incarnation of the serpent Ananta, symbolizing the infinite, who supports the entire universe. This depiction ties him not only to the spiritual, but also to the cosmic, a testament to the broad impact of his teachings. Patanjali's work on Sanskrit grammar, through his text known as the Mahabhashya, showcases his mastery over language and communication. This text is crucial in understanding not only the structure of Sanskrit, but also the philosophical underpinnings of this ancient language. In the realm of Ayurveda, Patanjali is credited with authoring works that contribute to the traditional Indian system of medicine. These texts emphasize the balance of body, mind, and spirit, harmonizing well with his teachings on yoga. Through these multifaceted contributions, Patanjali established a legacy that transcends time and geography. His works serve as a bridge connecting ancient wisdom with the contemporary world, offering spiritual guidance and philosophical insights that are as relevant today as they were millennia ago. Patanjali's life, shrouded in mystery, paves the way for his monumental work that guides millions even today. Imagine a guide so powerful that it has shaped the spiritual fabric of countless lives. This is the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Compiled over 2,000 years ago, the Yoga Sutras are a beacon of wisdom, consisting of 196 aphorisms that delve into the mind, spirit, and practice of yoga. These sutras are divided into 4 chapters, each unraveling the complexities of human consciousness and the path to transcendence. At the heart of these teachings are the 8 limbs of yoga, which provide a practical and philosophical framework for personal development and spiritual growth. Let's explore these limbs briefly. The first limb, yamas, deals with ethical standards and integrity, focusing on behaviors that we must avoid in this society. It includes non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, continence, and non-covetousness. These principles help in cultivating a life of peace and respect towards others. Following the yamas are the niyamas, which are about self-discipline and spiritual observances. This includes purity, contentment, self-discipline, self-study, and surrender to a higher power. Niyamas guide us on a journey inward, fostering personal growth and self-awareness. The third limb, asana, which is often the most recognized aspect of yoga, refers to the physical postures. Patanjali describes asanas as a steady and comfortable pose. These physical exercises are not just about fitness, but are designed to refine the body to sit still in meditation, enhancing one's ability to pursue spiritual practice. Moving beyond the physical, the fourth limb is pranayama, or breath control. This practice helps in mastering the respiratory process while acknowledging the connection between the breath, the mind, and the emotions. Pratyahara, the fifth limb, involves withdrawal of the senses, allowing one to step back from the external environment to enhance internal awareness. The final three limbs, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi, focus on concentration, meditation, and a state of ecstasy or enlightenment. These stages advance a yogi's journey from a focused mind to a profound meditative state, culminating in unity with the universe. These sutras are not just ancient texts, but living teachings that continue to evolve and adapt through centuries. From ancient scrolls to modern mats, how has Patanjali's vision transcended time? The journey of yoga, from the serene ashrams of ancient India to the bustling yoga studios of today's cities worldwide, is a testament to the enduring wisdom of Patanjali. His Yoga Sutras, a collection of aphorisms, have not only survived thousands of years, but have become the philosophical backbone of many modern yoga practices. Across the globe, from Tokyo to Toronto, yoga has woven its way into the daily lives of millions. At the heart of this global spread is Patanjali's vision, which articulates a pathway to spiritual enlightenment and physical well-being. This vision is not confined to the realms of personal practice, but extends into the broader spectrum of wellness and mindfulness that dominates contemporary lifestyle trends. In the bustling streets of New York or the quiet corners of a Parisian suburb, you will find yoga practitioners who start their day with a few minutes of meditation or a series of asanas. These modern yogis often express a deep connection with Patanjali's teachings, emphasizing how the sutras help them achieve a sense of peace and balance amidst the chaos of modern life. Take, for instance, a yoga teacher in London who integrates the sutras into her classes. She shares that the principle of ahimsa, or non-violence, promotes not only physical non-harm, but also teaches compassion towards oneself and others. This principle, she notes, is especially relevant today as we navigate a world rife with conflict and stress. Similarly, in the sun-drenched studios of California, another practitioner focuses on dhyana, or meditation, a practice derived from Patanjali's sutras. He credits this practice with enhancing his mental clarity and emotional resilience, tools invaluable in both personal and professional realms. Indeed, Patanjali's influence extends beyond individual practitioners. Many contemporary yoga training programs have curricula deeply rooted in the Yoga Sutras, ensuring that each new generation of yogis is well versed in these ancient principles. This educational continuity guarantees that the essence of yoga, as envisioned by Patanjali, remains intact and influential. Patanjali's principles have seamlessly woven into the fabric of modern wellness practices, proving that true wisdom is timeless. A sage who penned a legacy that would reach far beyond the confines of his hermitage. Patanjali's influence on the yoga community is profound and pervasive. His Yoga Sutras, a collection of aphorisms outlining the art and science of yoga, serve as a cornerstone in the vast and varied landscape of this ancient practice. Across continents and cultures, these sutras have been interpreted, taught, and cherished, each community weaving its own unique narrative around Patanjali's words. Let's delve into how different schools of yoga embrace and interpret these teachings. In the West, for instance, Patanjali's work is often approached with a focus on the psychological and therapeutic aspects of yoga. Schools like Iyengar and Ashtanga, which emphasize precision and mastery of postures, often cite the Yoga Sutras as a source of spiritual and ethical guidance. These practices stress the importance of the yamas and niyamas, ethical precepts that form the first two limbs of Patanjali's eightfold path. Meanwhile, in the East, particularly in India, Patanjali is revered not just as a sage, but as an embodiment of divine wisdom. Here, the Yoga Sutras are integrated into a broader spiritual framework, often connected with other philosophical traditions like Vedanta and Samkhya. This holistic approach sees yoga not just as physical exercise but as a discipline for mental and spiritual well-being. Globally, contemporary yoga teachers and practitioners continue to find relevance in Patanjali's teachings, adapting his sutras to suit modern lifestyles and challenges. Whether it's through workshops, retreats, or teacher training courses, the essence of Patanjali's philosophy is imparted and debated, highlighting the timeless nature of his insights. Moreover, the digital age has made the Yoga Sutras more accessible than ever. Online forums, virtual classes, and digital libraries open up discussions and interpretations to a global audience, ensuring that Patanjali's legacy is not only preserved but also invigorated by new perspectives and voices. Patanjali's footprints in the sands of time are deep. His teachings continue to inspire and challenge the yoga community. As we fold our mats and still our minds, we ponder on the ancient wisdom that has journeyed through centuries to reach us. Patanjali, a sage whose life details are shrouded in the mists of time, offered the world the Yoga Sutras. This collection of aphorisms lays the foundation for what many understand as the philosophical core of yoga. His teachings, succinct yet profound, explore the essence of human consciousness and the pathway to true liberation. Through the 8 limbs of yoga, Patanjali provided a structured approach to achieving serenity and self-realization. Each limb, from ethical restraints and observances to meditation and eventual samadhi or enlightenment, offers guidance on transforming personal practice into a deeper spiritual journey. Reflecting on these teachings, one might find that their relevance transcends time and culture. They are not just ancient texts, but living wisdom applicable to the challenges and complexities of modern life. What aspect of Patanjali's yoga philosophy resonates most with you? How will you weave this ancient wisdom into the tapestry of your daily life?